Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to track and manage your change orders. Tracking change orders can be the bane of your existence. We make it easy for you to automatically update the contract amount. Our industry standard form makes it easy to get the change order created, submitted, and approved. Our job costing reports and project financials automatically track the original budget and the revised budget, factoring in the change orders. We make it easy for you to create, track, and report on requests for change orders. Then, when you are ready, bring all or some items from multiple change order requests into one approved change order. And with our client portal, your client can initiate a change order request, which is then forwarded to you for review. Once submitted, your clients can use the client portal or just click the link in the email that they receive to approve the change order. With our electronic approvals and signatures feature, you can easily manage your electronic change orders and CO requests. Keep everybody up to date. Clients can approve and request change orders right from the client portal. Keep the paper trail clear and concise. Know within minutes when a change order has been approved. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to track and manage your change orders.